Hello my friends, this is Antoine from Toys Tracker. So as usual, this video was recorded in French, and then I removed the audio tracks and translated it in English for you. So today I'm going to show you how I did a 1/6 scale Machine Man figure. Machine Man is a famous hero that I'm sure you heard of, which was created by Jack Kirby. So he first appeared in July 1977 in 2001 Space Odyssey comic books, issue number 8. Then Machine Man got his own comic book in 1978. There was a reboot of these comic books in 1999. It was a Marvel miniseries of I think 4 issues, and so if you want to discover that superhero that maybe you don't know too well, do not hesitate. It's quite an interesting character. So to make this custom figure, I had to buy a few components and find a few components. So the main body is the Hot Toys Ant-Man figure, the first version, and I had to remove the head, of course, and also a few wires he has on his belts and arms. I bought this paint, which was from the brand AK, which is a purple color. For the face, I found this face in the Marvel Legends Captain America 12-inch figure. So this figure came with several heads, one with a helmet, one without an helmet. So I used the one without an helmet, and I modified it, and then inside I was able to put the face by removing the hair, and I did some skull, so because the head was not supposed to go inside this loose helmet, and then I was able to make a face which looks like Machine Man's face. For the eyes, I used something called sugru, which is some kind of paste that you can paint and which sticks also to anything. The figure was not very difficult to paint because the paint I used was very covering, so I didn't have to put any primer on the body first, but I was very careful not to put any paint on the gray lines that you see on the body. So I was able to keep all those lines, which looks great because they give a robotic looks to the figure. For the arm, I used that mobile cable, which is some kind of hard cable that you can put on your car to hold your phone, and I use it to make that extensible arm that you see on the figure. The thing I want to say now is that doing a custom figure is very fun because it looks like collecting stuff. You know, you have to look for little parts, little components that you buy, that you will modify. Sometimes you find them on the store. Sometimes you find them in the kitchen or on the stationary places. You know, all those little items you will use because they deserve your purpose. They will be used for the custom figure you're dreaming of and that you're going to create. And that quest is very fun, just like hunting for new toys or new collectibles. So I hope you enjoyed that review. I will make more review about my custom figures, and I say goodbye to you, my friends. Bye bye.